This is cycle life in UK. Cycle is the best friend here. Mainly if you are new, you are not able to ride a car, or if you think the trains and buses are expensive, then cycle is the best option for you. So hello everyone, so this is the final destination for today, where I wanted to come and show around and talk to how living in the UK has been till far, how my journey has been here. So that's what I wanted to show you all in this video, and I think it's a bit important for those who want to come to this country anywhere, from Nepal or from around the globe. So this is what I wanted to share. So let's get on with it. So UK is a lovely country. There are a lot of people from around the world, so it's a multicultural place. So it's easy to adjust here because you see people from different backgrounds. So I think it's a true thing that they say about this country. It's a very safe place. I feel secure. Even late in the night, you have transportation available, security. So in the beginning, you might have some panic time because you are shifting your home country to another newly place, which is natural. So don't panic. Stay calm and do whatever it takes to reach out to your family and friends. There are a lot of groups here that from different countries that you can connect, and then local groups. Even the university provides a very good support. It depends from uni to uni, for mental health and a lot of things that you have. You need to settle down here. There are different events that they carry out, which is very helpful, and I recommend that you attend to those. So it took some time to adjust for me as well. So it's the same for most of the people. But I was lucky because I had my family here. I had my group here, Nepali group here. Everyone was here. You see a lot of people from different communities who understand how it is to be here as an immigrant, as a student. So that's what I have loved about this country. The countryside is amazing. You see a lot of beautiful places. I think UK is one of the top destinations for tourism, and people are very nice and welcoming, and then they are very helpful as well. So work-wise, you will get work, but you have to be patient for at least 1 month. If you're lucky, you will get it within 1 month. If not, then it takes 2 to 3 months. So I recommend that you have enough fund to settle down here and rent for you for 3 months to accommodate and for your fooding costs. If you have some relatives, then it's good. Otherwise, you need to be prepared for at least 3 months when you come here. And in summer, it's really, really beautiful. In winter, it's a bit sad that you don't get to see the sun so much, so it's a kind of a depressing thing sometimes. But in summer, it's from mid-May or May, it's very good till September. So you have to be prepared for rain all the time, so you need to get a waterproof jacket or a small umbrella in your backpack most of the times. Cost-wise, you need at least 150 to 200 per week for accommodation. For fooding, it depends. If you don't eat outside, then it can manage by 50 to 80 or 100 pound max per week. So that's the per week amount that I'm telling. The food, you can get any kind of food here. UK has a lot of varieties in terms of food from any kind of background, which is good. So there are certain things you need to do before you come to whatever you are going to study in the UK. If you are coming as a student, you need to thoroughly research your course and the university. So there are different exemptions that you can get if you have a master's or some degree from your country for different courses. So know about those. Even some agents or your local people do not know about these things, so you have to research this thing. And just not through the university website, but reach out to some Facebook pages or groups that are already there for that university, for that area in Facebook. There are a lot of groups, and you can post your queries there and they can respond. You can know about what kind of accommodation is there, what kind of fees they have, what kind of faculty members they have, what kind of facilities they have, if they are legit university or not. Research the area that you want to live in. Mostly you have to live, recommended is to live around nearby universities and find the jobs around, because it's a lot easier to travel. Have the rail card that you can get from the railway station, then the cost is reduced to one third, something like that. And Oyster card, it works in the London area, so you can have Oyster card that if you are living around the London area. Believe me, the accommodation and transportation is very expensive here in the UK, mainly in the London area. So these are few things that you need to be aware of if you are coming to the UK. I hope this helps, and there will be some more videos I'll be posting. Do subscribe the channel, do like the videos, comment and share what you felt about this video. Please subscribe the channel and support. I hope this was a helpful video, and that's all for today and for now. So goodbye, have a good time ahead.